Community education and parent involvement. When we talk about communities which are doing volunteer work and which are doing some sort of a charity organizational work or are at least participating in all these, then the community education becomes very important. How is community education being practiced in the countries where there is a lot of say on the community education? Is parent involvement important in the community education? So, all these things are related to one another: the schools, the parent, and the community. Again, it comes to be the triangle. Whether in a community there has to be community education thought to be important, how much would the parent be involved in this community education? This is a serious issue in most of the countries in the world. And this has to be introduced in Pakistan as well in the context of teaching and learning. Role of community education is that since people who are in the community are also going to the schools and also learning and teaching, they are also the parents of those who are going to the schools to learn and teach. They are also people of the community. So they are all basically linked to one another. The role of community education would then, in a sense, benefit everyone: the child, the learner, the teacher, the adult, the parent, the community member, the community leader, and the community and the society as a whole. Therefore, it becomes very important that there is some community education prevailing in the society. This community education can be encouraged by having community schools in the community. And people who are in the community, apart from those who are working on salaries and are employed by the community, other people should also participate and get involved in different activities in the community to bring better results. So that means everybody is responsible for this community education. Everybody has a role in the community education. It has been a long debate in the Western world that what is the limit of parent involvement in community education. In different countries, the opinions are different according to their culture and circumstances and situations. It has been restricted to a different level in different countries. In Pakistan, we need to see how much parent involvement is required for a community to be successful and progress. It can differ in different areas and localities. It also depends on the economic status of the parents. Also, if it is just the labor class, probably those parents would not be having time to spare and contribute something to the community education. But people who are more affluent, having more facilities and more time, would be able to contribute more. But again, this would cause a discrepancy and a variation in the levels of schools and community education, because the affluent are contributing more, exercising more rights to make and gain from the community education where they are living. So that means their children will be benefiting more than those who are the children of labor class who cannot really contribute to the community education. So again, a class difference would be created. The schools, the community, the teachers, they all have a responsibility towards this contribution. How to have a balanced community education in their community, how to work in the community schools in the area in order to develop this community awareness amongst the students and the teachers and the parents and the community members. So, this is the responsibility of everyone in the community. And all together, they can work to be an example for the children, to think it to be important and to take it as their responsibility when they grow up. The parent involvement is sometimes criticized, but sometimes in some groups it is encouraged because it is taken as a positive thing to do. Although the community education is not very much in practice in Pakistan, but the parent involvement otherwise is also at the same level. In some places it is discouraged, while at other places it is encouraged to have parent involvement in the school. The community education becomes very important when the community has the results which are very favorable for the students and the community around. Therefore, we have to look at different aspects of community education along with the parent involvement and also the community members who are looking for the betterment of the students and the teachers and the community members in that particular community.